Hi guys, I'm so happy to have you back to my channel today. If you are watching for the first time, my name is Kalis Sonyewichi and I make videos on tech and how to make money on the internet. So in this particular video, I want to teach you guys how to import any contract address to Trust Wallet. What I mean is that I want to teach you how to easily import the contract address of any token to Trust Wallet. So if you have been finding it difficult to import any contract address, you just have to watch this video to the end because everything you're looking for is right here in this video. But before you proceed, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe and click the. So guys, to add any contract address on Trust Wallet, you have to open up your Trust Wallet as you can see here, right? So you have to scroll down and click on Manage Crypto. Meanwhile, you have already copied the contract address for the token you want to add. So from here, you're going to click on this plus icon by the top right hand side. Okay. Then from here, you're going to select the network of that token you want to add. Let's say, for instance, I want to add ICE network to this Trust Wallet. So I have to change the network from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain because it's on BNB. Alright, so you change the network depending on what you're doing and on which network the token you're adding is built. So now I've copied the contract address for ICE. I'm going to click on paste. Once I click on paste, you see automatically all other information I need about this ICE will appear in my in these boxes. They will fill up automatically. You can see the name has appeared, the symbol, the decimal, everything. Do not change anything once you have added the contract address. Alright, now you are going to click on import. Okay, that's it guys. I have successfully added this ICE token to my Trust Wallet. So if you already have a coin sent to this account, you will see it appear here as soon as you add the smart contract. So follow these steps to add the smart contract of any token at all to Trust Wallet. So that's it guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe and then hit the notification icon to enable notifications. So anytime I upload a video, you will be notified immediately. Thank you for watching.